Dear trader, welcome to Options Master Trader. We are right now inside Interactive Brokers. We are looking at the VIX chart, the fear index. That's a metric which is important for option traders because give an idea of how much fear there is in the market, and this translates in the price of options. I'll give you a sneak peek here. This is the VIX index for the last 6 months, daily candles. Now, of course, we can have a look at a year daily candles. Here we go. Can you see? VIX was quite high and then it's gone slightly down. What is important about the VIX that it gives a measure of the implied volatility. It means that when the VIX is high, we have high implied volatility on average. When the VIX is down, we have low implied volatility. In this case, because right now we have very low implied volatility, it means the options are priced quite cheaply. You need to go into every underlying and look at strategies which may involve buying options and may be convenient, may be cheap to buy options and then wait for an increase in implied volatility who can increase the value of those options. Let's have a look at the 2 years chart. Here we go. Can you see the VIX? It's been the last couple of years volatile, the market. You can tell this, but right now there is low volatility in the market. This may stay for a while. Let's have a look at the 5-year chart. Can you see this spike here? This was COVID in February 2020. The fear index went all the way up. All the stocks dropped in the market, and then the VIX since then has been quite cyclical, going up and down, up and down. It went down at this stage and then went up again. At the moment, the VIX is almost at the same levels like 3-4 years ago. This is an important metric because right now options are cheap and the VIX is cyclical as well, meaning that if we have low volatility right now, there may be soon expected a spike in volatility like it happened over here. We have low volatility and then a spike and then again an adjustment and then a spike and then an adjustment and then a big spike, and then as you can see, a cyclical value. So have a look at the VIX chart in your brokerage account. I use Interactive Brokers because it can give you an idea of what kind of strategy on your underlying securities when using options. At this stage, I would suggest to do strategies which involve purchasing options because the premium you pay is going to be relatively low compared to previous market, and this may give you an advantage. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next trade.